Berkeley on Refutation of Matter. According to Berkeley, there are two kinds of entities existing in the world: the mind and its ideas. To him, other than the mind and its ideas, nothing exists in the world. Berkeley do not accept the existence of matter. He rejects the view of Locke that matter exists. According to Berkeley, unknown matter cannot be the substratum of the qualities. To Berkeley, the inactive matter cannot give rise to ideas. To him, the activity of mind is the source of all ideas. Thus, to Berkeley, the existence of an unknown matter cannot be accepted.